To avoid paying interest on your credit card, it is essential to make your monthly payments in full, as this will prevent you from owing any interest the following month. Another strategy is to consolidate debt by transferring it to a balance transfer credit card, which allows you to pay down your debt at 0% interest. Utilizing budgeting apps can also help track your spending and avoid costly debt. It is crucial to avoid cash advances whenever possible, as they do not have a grace period. Taking advantage of the 0% introductory promotion and paying more than the monthly premium repayment when you cannot afford to pay the full bill are also effective methods. Additionally, being mindful of special rates for purchases and signing up for autopay can help avoid late payments and fees. When planning to make big purchases, it is vital to be strategic. By following these tips, you can avoid paying interest when using your credit card.